Hey class, it's Katrina Berg. I wanted to take just a couple of minutes to highlight some points from the week for your review and just consideration, and again, just ensure that you have these points in mind as you write your messages. So we talked about persuasive messaging this week, and a lot of that is going to impact you in your professional career, and it can also transfer over into your personal life. You may have a friend, family member that you also want to convince of something. So, first and foremost, let's talk about planning and writing your message. This is really important. What is it that you want to persuade someone of? What point do you want to get across, and why? Why is this important to you? Is it personal? Is it professional? Is it both? What do you want to share with the audience? The personal side or the professional side? Again, who are you writing it for? Who is going to be listening to it? What content do you want to put in there? And then also, once you have your main topic and how you want to introduce it, it could be with a quote, it could be with a personal story, it could be with facts and figures. Once you've done that introduction, you need to look at your supporting arguments. These are also very important. A rule of thumb might be to include at least 3 supporting arguments for your point. And they should be well researched and well thought out. These arguments also can help influence the audience's choice to give over to your persuasion. And as well, when you're arguing your supporting points, bring up the good and the bad. You may have a certain argument that you want to talk about, but there may be negative arguments against that. Go ahead and address both points. It shows that you are aware of both sides of the argument. It also shows you as credible and addressing those both sides. And then you can also make an argument for or against those particular arguments, which may or may not support your main point. So go through each of these, take the time to prepare your message, send your message, and then also think about what you want your audience to do. So as they read or hear your message, what do you want next steps to be? Is that a call to action, maybe signing up for a group, maybe donating to a cause, maybe adhering to a new company policy or participating in a company event? Make it easy for your audience to take those next steps, if that's including a link in the message, verbally giving someone the information of what to do next, even including a calendar date in the message so that people can keep it top of mind. We're all busy. We all may want to go along with the new policy, go along with the new action, but we may forget. So make it easy for people to remember, make it easy for people to take the next steps. That's also part of your planning and execution process. Also, watch out for grammar. This is a professional, even if you're doing it in a personal note, make sure that you run it through Grammarly, maybe even have somebody else look over it to see that it makes sense and everything's in place. That's important. Cite your sources. Where did you find the research, or where did you find the facts, statistics? If you're sharing a personal story as well, let the audience know it's a personal story. That matters. Emotion also can influence. But that's up to you personally how you want to share that. Make sure it is information that can be shared. Again, just use good wisdom when you're doing this. That's it for me, class. Thanks, and hope you enjoyed the video.